What features should be mentioned about WuzuTech Herz P1 Smart Ring? Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Because, it has the following features. Revolutionary Herz P1 Smart Ring Health Tracker. The Herz P1 Smart Ring for women and men is a game changer in the wearable tech industry. This sleek, lightweight ring provides accurate health metrics including heart rate, temperature, blood oxygen levels, activity, and stress levels. It's not just a fitness tracker, it's the next generation of wearable health tech, designed to fit effortlessly into your life. Superior accuracy and comfort with Herz Ring. Unlike traditional smartwatches and fitness trackers, the Herz P1 Health Ring offers superior accuracy due to its placement on the finger where the pulse is stronger. Crafted from lightweight, water-resistant titanium, it's so comfortable and unobtrusive, you'll forget you're wearing it. Advanced biometric and sleep tracking. The Herz P1 Sleep Tracker Ring tracks over 20 vital biometrics with pinpoint accuracy. From sleep monitor ring to heart rate ring. Herz Ring also tracks temperature trends, and even menstrual cycle tracking. It provides real-time insights into your overall wellness without the bulk and hassle of a wrist device. WuzuTech Smart Rings with extended battery life and durability. With a battery life that lasts up to 6 days on a single charge, the Herz P1 Smart Ring eliminates the need for daily recharges. It's built to withstand extreme conditions, making it reliable and resilient for any activity, from intense workouts to daily wear. More than just a health tracker. The Herz Health Ring is a lifestyle upgrade. It's stylish, discreet, and fits effortlessly into any occasion. Compatible with both iOS and Android, it syncs seamlessly with your devices for easy access to all your health data. It's not just about health, it's about enhancing your life. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.